Hey folks, how's it going? So today's the day I'm going to take my backhoe off for the first time. My Kioti CK2610. I've had it for a couple of months and I've been tooling around in the yard pulling bushes and things like that. So today I'm going to try to take the backhoe off. I'm not going to put it back on today. I'm going to hook my box blade up and do some work around the house. So I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. Then I have some other little news at the end of the video that I'll share about what's going to happen in the future. So stick around. Thanks. Let's get going. There's one. So I'll get the other one. There. It didn't want to slide out. Alright, so I have the bolts undone. So now I need to see if I can drive out from under it. So that was a complete fail. I was able, I think, I'm just not on level ground. I think that's it. I just need to be on better level ground, but I don't want to take it off on my driveway and not be able to get it back on. And then it would be stuck in my driveway. So it's just gonna have to stay on there for a while. I was able to, I was able to get the pins off. You see the pins there and here. Those came off just fine. But then when I tried to roll forward, it just wouldn't come loose. It just wanted to, drag along with it. So then I had trouble getting it back in. I maneuvered the stabilizers and the stick and everything to try to get it level enough to, for the holes to line back up, but it just wouldn't do it. And finally, it clicked, and, they were able to go back together enough for me to get the pins back in. I put the pins in upside down this time to make it a little easier to get them off, I think. They're kind of hard to find when they're underneath. So I think for now, I'm just going to leave it on there. I really would like to be able to use my box blade and stuff, but I don't want to get stuck, get this thing off and not be able to get it back on. So I don't know. If you got any pointers, feel free to let me know, because I'm not sure, other than being on level ground. I really don't know what else I did wrong. So if you have any clues, feel free to let me know. So I completely forgot to mention that the news that I was going to mention earlier. I told you in the previous videos that we were looking for land, and that was the whole reason for buying a tractor in the first place. So my fiance and I finally signed a contract on 15 acres, about an hour from here. So I was really hoping to get 25-30 acres, but this 15 acres turns out to be a really nice piece of property. It's going to take a lot of work to get it to where we want it, but actually I feel like it's probably going to be more than I want to keep up with. So it's actually a whole lot of land, that more than I expected, that 15 acres would look like. So there's a creek at the back. It's a big long slope from top to bottom. It's a gentle slope, it's not steep or anything. But so hopefully once we get closed on that, and it'll be in a couple months, so once we get closed on that, I'll take you out there and show you around. But so that was our big news. So I finally I'm going to have a place to be able to use this tractor and put it to work. And then maybe I'll work on getting that backhoe off. All right, thanks.